Okay, I am determined to capture lightning on video right now. Because it is too cool to miss. It is crawling across the sky repeatedly now. So hopefully I will capture it for you to see. Wait for it. Yeah, there was some. Appears to be originating from that cloud cluster over there. That was a few hours ago. I was sunbathing, and now I'm storm watching from a balcony. Here's South Beach. We're in downtown. This is downtown. And this is a really stormy, cool sky. And the sunset's happening over there, but the storm is cooler than the sunset right now. Come on, just one more for me. One more really cool one. That's all I want. And it's not even raining right now. Oh, that was beautiful, thank you. It's not even touching ground, just crawling across the sky. Oh, somebody's setting off fireworks. I don't know if you can see them, it's too far away. That's what that sound is, if you can hear it. I wonder what they're celebrating. Think they'll give me another one? Okay, one more and I'll turn this off. Come on, one more. Thank you. So there you have it, my friends. This is now what I do in Miami.